Hey guys, so I think I found my dream car. So this is Brooksville Roadster. They're 32 Ford Phaeton body. And I mean, guys, look at this thing. It's ridiculous. Let me stick my arrow. Look at this. That might be one of the most beautiful cars I've ever seen. Now, I'm a street ride guy. I've had Model A Fords most of my life, and with 32 grill shells and gas tanks and everything else. But this is expensive, is what this is. But drop dead gorgeous. Look how big the door is. Suicide doors. I mean, Bill, I want one. Megan, if you're watching this might be the car we're going to build one day. Anyway, guys, I just thought I'd show you. Pretty sharp. One day.